What's that?
What?
Oh, actually, it might be blowing.
We've had a quick wake up this morning. We've woken up to the battery being dead. What was that on?
11.3 volts.
Yeah. So I don't think we've ever got ready that quick. We're both still half asleep. We know that that means that the fridge has been off. We did a full food shop like 2 days ago. So we're not opening the fridge, so now we're just driving to this garage that will open at 9. It's currently 8:10. So after waiting around for ages because the Spanish don't open on time, I think it's about 20 to 10 by the time it actually opens. We just paid 142 euros. This is the one that we went for. I have no idea about any of it. And we're going to replace this one.
Might be your home.
Is it in?
Yeah.
It looks so fresh and so clean.
What?
It sparks.
Yeah, it always does. Yeah. We'll have to give it a minute, see if it goes up.
We've just gone past a little gym. So it's our second workout in nearly 3 weeks. So we're doing really well. But I've just got the resistance bands and
the boom box.
So that didn't last very long. It's a little bit more challenging than being in an air-conditioned gym. I mean, it's midday, the sun was literally beating down on us, and every time we tried to then go up onto the bars, our hands were slipping off at the end because we were that sweaty. So it was something. But now we're heading to a place called Sopolina.
Just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind.
So as we can't fit a surfboard in the van, unfortunately, we've gone with the next best thing. Here's our new little bodyboard. Mitch is chuffed to bits. Yeah, we just got it from Decathlon, as well as some goggles, which are dead cringe. But yeah, we've both got a pair of goggles so we can actually go for a swim as a form of like exercise as well. How chuffed are you right now?
Not very.
Literally just pulled down to the Park for Night beach where we're going to stay tonight. The sea is there and we've just managed somehow miraculously to get a space. Dinner with a view. We have now arrived in Bilbao. We've had a really chilled morning. We went to the beach for a few hours because then we realised the really nice park up that we had, you could only stay there for 24 hours. So we've come into Bilbao for the day, and although it's a Sunday, it's quite nice. finally opened the wine that we've had since we left, which is over 3 weeks ago now. I've been holding on to it because I wanted to open it at a certain point, and I thought that this view was worthy of opening it. I don't know.
Looks awful.
Yeah, the first time that we bought from an actual fruit and veg shop, because we thought it'd be better than buying from the supermarkets, everything's been awful that we bought. The carrots, I've never tasted carrots that bad before in my life. And these bananas aren't even that old, and they're like black inside and then just really mushy and like no taste. So did we just go to like a really dodgy one?
That new sprout battery sounds good, doesn't it?
So we finally left that camp spot that we were at. We've been on a really nice drive. We've come to see this little boardwalk that goes across the coast. We think we just got our first glimpse of Pico d'Europa, where we're heading. So yeah, we're gonna have a look up here now. So that was a really nice little spot to walk around. It was really nice because it followed the whole coast, but it had like a full grass verge where it was really easily accessible for everyone to just have a walk. So now we're gonna go check out some blowholes.
Blowhole or blowhole?
I think it's blowholes. It doesn't seem too choppy here, but hopefully it is there so we get some action.
Doesn't look like the blowholes are blowing today. Bit unfortunate. Oh, actually, it might be blowing. You sound like a dolphin. You can hear him crashing down there. There's just not enough wind, I don't think.
It's really pretty. You've got the mountains behind, and then you've got the sea there. Just no blowing, unfortunately. We have arrived at our camp spot for the evening. We've got a nice view this way. Got the mountains. We're cooking up a chicken chilli pasta. And then here, they've got the best spot. Kind of jealous. There is the river that we should,
well, hopefully
be kayaking down tomorrow. So we're up further now near Pico d'Europa and in a place called Arandas. So yeah, it's nice that we found another spot within nature again. So this is the park up for tonight. And this is the river. This is insane. Well, that's what someone said on park for night, but they got stuck and had to get towed out. It's not picking it up on the camera.
What's that?
What?
Over there? Oh, is it just a duck? I thought it looked like something.
It is just a duck.
Oh, I like ducks though. This is River Sala. River de Sala?
Sala River.
The Sala River that starts in Pico de Europa and goes all the way down to the Atlantic Ocean. And
Why do you talk like that? When you talk about, like, you go American.
And we'll be kayaking down it tomorrow. I'm hoping that we can go on our own tomorrow. I think it'll make it a bit more exciting.
We've actually just missed the international canoe competition. It's on the first Saturday in August every year.
Well, they're lucky I weren't here.
But yeah, so it's actually hosted.
So are we canoeing or kayaking? I don't know what the difference is.
I think it's the same thing.
Is canoeing
I don't know.
on a river and kayaking is in the ocean? I think that might be what it is.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, we're canoeing tomorrow, which I'm excited about.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
But it is nice, just, we were saying just how it's so nice to be within nature again, even tonight, because we were going to just stay in a car park because it's so late. Well, it's getting late, but I'm so glad that we did just come the extra 10 minutes out of the way.
There's so many fish. I want to pick up his fishing rod.
Yeah, there's a little kid over here and they've got a fishing rod, but there's so many fish.
Oh, there's like a pack of 10 there.
The water is so clear.
What the hell? It's like properly warm.
Well, it'll be a good job if I fall off tomorrow then. At least I'll be warm.
I'm proper looking forward to tomorrow.
And to think we were at the beach earlier, it's just mind-blowing.